have, instead of spending 30 minutes figuring out VLOOKUP plus if plus nested formulas, you can just ask what you need in plain English. This means more time analyzing and less time wrestling with functions. So if you are using Microsoft 365, this is already starting to roll out, and within a year, it will be, uh, with everyone's Microsoft Office. Whoever is using Microsoft Office, it will become like uh, a very go-to tool.
So I
The
think
next,
it will be integrated within that whatever Excel you are using, basically.
yes. It's like add-in. You can
ऐड
add on.
हाँ एड ऑन जैसे हाँ गूगल में क्रोम में एक्सटेंशन लेते हैं वैसे
Yes,
सेम वे आपके एक्सेल में भी एक्सटेंशन आ जाएगा सो बिकॉज माय
exactly.
द फैक्ट रिमेन्स फर्स्ट यू सेड को पायलट इज वन ऑफ द थिंग which we should be
Yes,
using
yes, yes.
secondly what the tool you will be recommending
Second tool, I would go for Chat GPT.
okay
Chat GPT is like, I think it's like a friend of ours.
yes
You can talk to
talking
Chat.
to us chatting with us
Yes, you can simply chat with us.
हाँ,
We have heard so much about ChatGPT, but most people don't realize just how deeply it can help finance professionals,
correct
especially the pro version with advanced data analytics,
correct
which was formerly known as Code Interpreter.
yes
What it does, it upload Excel or your CSV file and ask it to clean it or analyze or visual data for you. It can spot anomalies, outliners, mismatches. It can also create your management summaries.
Hmm.
Nevertheless, it can draft tax opinions, client letters, legal notices, of course, with review. When I'm talking about drafting, please understand all these AI tools can help you with the format, the basic format, how you should present yourself. But the content you put in, it should be with your own discretion, because ultimately AI cannot replace chartered accountant anywhere, not our knowledge, not our expertise. It can help you grow in your field. So always remember, all these AI tools, be it ChatGPT, be it Claude, be it Perplexity, never go to them with your blind eyes. Just have your own sense how you are applying these tools in your life.
I
It
believe we did AI course na at that time also, or even if today you read ChatGPT na while answering your prompt, they also write, they mention that this is what best I can do for you, but still you apply your own conscious. So they are also
exactly,
giving you alerts. The blanket
exactly.
following is not recommended,
It's
and that itself is an indication that we as a human being intelligence is still required